In this 3.5-minute video, I'm going to show you how to use the marketing opportunities on your dashboard. When you log into your ProspectsPLUS.com account, you'll see your dashboard. If you see the ProspectsPLUS.com homepage instead of your dashboard when you log in, click up here on your name, and then click on Dashboard. Or if you'd like to see the dashboard every time you log in, click here on Settings, and then change this setting here to Dashboard, and then click Save Settings. The dashboard provides quick access to several great opportunities in your area. If you happen to see this message, it simply means you haven't entered your marketing zip code. Do so here and then click the Set Area button. We have already done a search in your zip code for empty nesters, homeowners, renters, and prospects who have a net worth of $2 million and up. And we'll show you how many we found in these circles. And of course, there's a postcard campaign designed for each of these opportunities. So let's order one of these postcards, and let's say we want to go after the renters in your area who are earning $70,000 or more per year. We'll start by clicking on Send a Postcard. Now enter the number of postcards you want to send. It can be any number from 1 up to the number of records that we've found for your opportunity. Now click the Order button. We picked the high-income renter opportunity, and here you'll see all of the renter postcards specifically designed for that target market. Here you can choose the size of postcard to mail out. You can choose between standard size and jumbo size. And down here you'll see we've already attached the mailing list to this order, so there's no additional work for the list on your part. Now let's choose the postcard that you want to mail out. If you want to take a moment and read the text on these postcards, just click on this magnifying glass icon. And click the Close button to close this preview. Then click on the postcard that you want to send. Now select the back that you want to use for your postcard by clicking on it. And now click the yellow Next button. Now you can make any changes to the front of the postcard that you want. If you want a tutorial on some advanced editing features, be sure to check out the video on editing postcards. Now we'll click the yellow Next button. You can make any changes that you want to for the back of the postcard, and then click the yellow Next button. Here is the proof page for your postcard. Be sure to review the front and the back and make sure everything is good. If you need to make some more changes, just click this Edit Artwork button. But if everything is great, click the checkbox here, and then click the yellow Add to Cart button. Your custom postcard is now in your shopping cart. At this point, you can continue shopping or check out. Using the Opportunities section of your dashboard is a great way to drum up some new business and not spend any time coming up with a mailing list. If you have any other questions, please contact us at 866-405-3638 or email us support@ProspectsPLUS.com.